suppose a scenario where you get some number and then you have to decide whether it's an even number or it's an odd number. So maybe in some scenario you get some number and using a program you have to decide that it's an odd number or it's an even number. So in that case, what will you do? You'll write a line of code. So it will be something like this. So let's suppose a equal to 3. If a percentage 2 means a mod of 2 equal to 0, then it is even number, else it's an odd number. That's what you'll write. So in this case, since a is 3, it will give it's an odd number. So this is how you'll go and write a code to determine whether it's an odd number or it's an even number. Now let's suppose this code you have to write it in multiple places, maybe in 40 or 50 different places. So it's a simple code, you can still go and write it. But there can be scenario to achieve any requirement, you have to write almost 50 lines of code or 20 lines of code, which has to be written in multiple places. So in those scenarios, generally, it's always a good practice to write a function and call that function wherever you want to use that logic. So as part of this demo, I'll be using this simple example so you'll understand what is the use of function and how it really helps. So let's suppose we'll write one function is even number. So this is my function name, and then you put this logic over there. So in function you pass the parameter as number. So here we'll be calling the number for which we want to check whether it's an odd number or it's an even number. So my function is ready. So now in this case, to determine whether it's an odd number or even number, I wrote this line of code. So now this code is sitting inside a function. I just need to call this function and pass the number. So now it will say 2 is an even number. So now even in 40 places, if you have to use this, you just need to call this one line of code. That's it, nothing else. So here it's a 4 line of code got converted into 1 line of code. In places where you might be having function with 20, 30, 40 lines of code, you don't need to write it in multiple places. You just need to call that function, pass the parameter, whatever you want. So now let's suppose you have passed 5. It is giving it's an odd number. So using function, we can make the code a bit cleaner compared to the actual way of coding.